You should load the behind the scenes vids. It's interesting how long it takes to make the videos. Let's go really behind the scenes. So this is my very, very cool studio. Give me a sentence. You should do lyrics of a famous song. Oh, what lyrics of a famous song can we pick? People are writing up sentences that I can record in accent. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart will go on. Near, far, wherever you are. The problem is that if you have really long sentences, I can't do very many accents, and what I like to do is get as many accents in as humanly possible into the 1 minute. I'm going to do I Want to Break Free. I like that one. I'm going to do that one first. This video is I Want to Break Free.
American.
I want to break free.
Standard British.
I want to break free.
New York.
I want to break free.
Scouse.
I want to break free.
Welsh.
Right, I'm from Wales, so I want to break free.
Devonshire.
I want to break free.
British RP.
I want to break free.
Australian.
I want to break free.
Cockney.
I want to break free.
Southern American.
I want to break free.
Polish.
I want to break free.
West Country.
I want to break free.
New Zealand.
I want to break free.
Essex.
I want to break free.
Northern Irish.
I want to break free.
Scottish.
Oh, bloody hell, so I've got to go to Scotland. Scotland, right, so I want to break free.
Yorkshire.
Oh my God, now I'm going down the country. This is where it all gets a bit difficult. Right, so no, that's Yorkshire, so so it's I want to break free.
Spanish.
Oh, now we're jumping across to Europe. So I have to go to Spain, and I've got to go to Spanish. I want to break free. Yeah, I want to break free.
Irish.
I want to break free.
Geordie.
I want to break free.
French.
I want to break free.
South African.
I want to break free.
German.
I want to break free.
Jamaican.
I want to break free.
Russian.
I want to break free.
Canadian.
I want to break free.
Dutch.
Oh, the Dutch accent. Okay, so I want to break free.
Brummie.
I want to break free. Yay, I'm so glad you showed us behind the scenes and you chose my phrase.